So I have a big Bloom haul for you today. I got a bunch of stuff as a gift and I'm so excited to share it with you because Bloom is one of my favorite planner companies and everything is absolutely beautiful and I think you are going to like it and want to order some of your own. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday and I do unboxings like today on Saturdays. Now I'll just go through really quickly what I got and then I'll do a quick opening for you, but obviously I've already opened them. So the first one is the Bloom Belief cards. These were $9.95. The second was productivity stickers, which are just beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. These are glossy stickers. These were $9.95. You get 6 sheets. And then I got the 3-in-1 notebook, which is awesome because it's a planner. It has notes. It has a coloring book. It has a weekly planner. It has everything I could ever want. And a folder pocket in the back, and it's so huge it can actually fit an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, and it's obviously just beautiful. Now this was more pricey. It was $29.95, but it's totally worth it. And over here we have a monthly planner. Like, I've been waiting and wanting someone to create a monthly planner. Like, literally it is the months. I know you probably can't see this because of the light, but it's just huge and it's beautiful, and I love seeing the month at a glance, and I love being able to write as large as I want to write, which is very large. And this was $19.95, and it has a cute vellum wrap, which I'll show you up close in a minute. So let's go ahead and take a look at everything. Now, because Bloom can't do anything without making them beautiful, this box is absolutely gorgeous, and this is how it arrived. It has their logo on the front. It says Happy Planning on one side. It has all of their social media handles over here. And then it says Fragile, Handle with Care on this side, and it has flowers all over around it. And it came with some shrink wrapping, or not shrink wrapping, bubble wrap in the inside to prevent anything from moving around. We have a cute Bloom card that tells you to share this with others and gives you their handle, and it also has their mission statement, new products, which is always an awesome idea, as well as a cute picture of Michelle and Kaylin. So let's go ahead and check it out. Now, I did ask for these ahead of time, so I kind of know what these are. These are the Bloom Belief cards, and my roommate did open them on accident. They did have shrink wrap around them, so they no longer have shrink wrap around them, but that's okay. They're still gorgeous. Now, the Belief cards, if you're not familiar with these are cute inspirational cards that you can just give out. Be happy, be bright, be you, go confidently in the direction of your dreams, you're really rocking this, you're beautiful. So they all have great positive messages. So if you love their social media feed, which I don't know how you couldn't, you'll really like these cards. And then on the other side, they have some, again, cute decorations that kind of match the front, and you can leave a little note for somebody nice, or you could just post these up on your mirror to give yourself little affirmations for the day. So these are definitely adorable. Next, so I did get a card from them. So that was really nice. It's a personal card, so I won't read it. And then over here, I got stickers, which is awesome because I wasn't even asking for stickers. They just threw them in there, and I love these stickers. So this is their productivity pack of stickers, and there are 6 of them, and they're so cute, and they match exactly the style and look and feel of the planners if you have those. We have some doctor deadlines, cute little planners and pens, cute little messages, coffees. So like, they're so pretty, I don't even want to use them because I just want to keep them. So these are adorable. And now this is my monthly planner, and it comes in this beautiful marble, and I know you can't see this, but this is huge, and that's what I wanted. I wanted something really huge so I could lay it out flat and open it up. So let's go ahead and just move the box. So over here, you're going to see that it has sort of a plastic cover, and it's really, really nice. So in theory, I could just keep using this over and over again, each year. And this planner, I know it's so big, it doesn't even fit in the frame. So you get a little letter from the founders. You have a nice opening here. And I know you can't see this, but this is a really thick cardstock. Like, it's very sturdy. I feel like I could write in with a marker. It's going to be great. And then over here we have 5 goals for the year, places to visit. So again, same look and feel as they have in the rest of the calendar. You get the whole year at a glance and a little space here to write something under each month. You get telephone book, and then you have notes, and then we go right into the months, which is like my dream calendar to have just a big monthly. I don't know why more people don't make monthlies. Like, monthlies totally rock. I love having like the whole month at a glance. And then you also get the month prior and the month after, which is pretty normal, and some room on the side to make notes. I know you can't see it. This is like huge. Like, I feel like I can get everything in here that I want to get in here. They've added some holidays in there, which is helpful. So we'll flip ahead to December, and then after December, you get some pages to write some notes. And again, a really, really thick page. I know you can't see that. And then you can track all of your spending for the year on one page. And again, this slips in, and I don't want to ruin it, but this slips in. So in theory, you could slip this out, and then I could add a new one for next year, if you can see that. So, and then I can leave this, oh, that's nice. So I could leave that page in there, and this page is separate. So that is that. And then I got the 3-in-1. It's like a planner, it's a notebook, it's like everything I want. And again, I did get another huge one because I don't know if you guys know this, I write really big. Plus I like doing calligraphy, so I need lots of space. So this says do more of what makes you happy. And again, you get a nice thick, like firm, like sturdy cover. So this has an overlay, and then you get your cover, which is really nice because then you don't ruin your beautiful cover, which is the whole point of why I picked this one too. So you can put some information in here, and it has tabs on the side, which is kind of nice. They're kind of hidden. Sometimes when they stick out, like the Erin Condren ones, and not that it's bad, but sometimes mine get ripped or ruined when they stick out further than the actual cover. Letter from the founders, how to use. I love this. I don't know why more people don't put directions in here. Bloom this year, your vision board, website logins, and then we get into monthly planning again, because clearly I cannot have enough monthly planning. So we have monthly planning over here. So we have the whole year, and they all come in different colors. And November, December, and then how I bloom this year. And then we get a new section called weekly planning. So this over here is, so I don't know if you noticed this, this is undated. So in theory, you could use this anytime, anywhere. It repeats. And I don't know if you guys have seen this. This is like my exact branding colors, just by coincidence. On my old Lisa Siefert fitness stuff, I used pink, blue, and purple, so it's exact same colors, so which is great. So each week it looks like you get a different quote, 2 different quotes at the top here, and then how much water you're drinking. So you have Monday through Friday, you have the weekend down here, must-dos, and then other to-dos, and then healthy habits, so little tracker over here. And then over here you get a notes section, which is definitely why I wanted this. Sometimes I just have notes, like I want to take notes, then I don't have to get another notebook, so it's right here for you. Then you get a sketch section, which is basically just blank pages. If you want to draw something, again, this is perfect. Like I said, I could do my calligraphy. And then you get grids in case you like a grid layout better. And then you can do coloring. Now, I'm not a big colorer, so I probably won't use this section, but it's cute, and I think it's nice if you want to doodle while you're waiting. Maybe you have a really boring meeting you're sitting in and you could doodle. Anyways, I love this planner. This was my favorite planner of all the planners that have ever been planners. So this has a cute little thing here on the back for their other products, just like you saw on that card. And I don't know if you guys can see this. You get a pocket folder, so you can stick anything you want inside of there. And then you get another vellum color on the back to protect your thing. So that is that. If you're interested in learning more about Bloom, I actually have a really amazing interview with the founders, Kaylin and Michelle. So I'll leave a link for that below, or the cards or whatever over here on this side, as well as a flip through of another planner of theirs. So you can see a ton of Bloom stuff, and you can go ahead and order yourself some Bloom stuff. I know that I sent Bloom planners to all of the students at St. Mary's College of Notre Dame that are from San Diego. I just happen to be the co-president for the Alumni Association here locally, and we wanted to give the students a gift to sort of send them off to college, and we thought, well, how perfect would it be to send them Bloom planners, because one, they're beautiful, and two, they kind of stand for everything that St. Mary's is about. It's about women, it's about empowerment, it's about having positive role models like Kaylin and Michelle. So we're really excited, and I got really good feedback that everybody loved them. So if you have a student in your life, I bet they would love a Bloom planner as well. All right, I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys next week.